दोस्तों, आज मैं आप सबों को लेकर आया हूँ उस जगह में जहाँ पर मैंने द स्ट्रॉबेरी फार्म की परिकल्पना की थी। और मैंने निर्णय लिया था कि जिस दिन ये किताब दुनिया वालों के पढ़ने के लिए अमेज़न में या बाकी जगहों में अवेलेबल होगी, मैं उस दिन यहाँ पर आऊँगा। आज मैं पंचगनी में हूँ। आज 30 जनवरी का दिन है, शाम का समय है। आप ये देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पर ये एक टेबल लैंड है। सो दिस इज़ द लार्जेस्ट टेबल लैंड इन एशिया एज दे से। एंड ऑल अलोंग यू सी वैलीज। जहाँ भी आप रेड कलर के रूफ टॉप्स देख रहे हैं वो सारे बोर्डिंग स्कूल्स हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पीछे में एक बोर्डिंग स्कूल नज़र आ रहा है। तो मुझे लगा कि इस जगह में काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को है। यहाँ पर लोग आते हैं इंटरटेनमेंट के लिए, घूमने के लिए, घुड़सवारी करने के लिए और एंजॉय करने के लिए। लेकिन जब मैं यहाँ पर पिछली बार आया था, करीबन 4 साल हो गए, मुझे लगा कि यहाँ पर काफ़ी सारा कुछ है जो लोगों को जानना चाहिए। एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड लुकिंग एट द स्टोरीज ऑफ मोटिवेशन हियर। लेकिन जैसा कि लोग बोलते हैं, जैसा कि मैंने भी बार बार बोला है, लिखा है कि जब तक कुछ ऐसा नहीं होता है ज़िंदगी में, जब आप कुछ नया करने के बारे में सोचना शुरू करते हैं, तब तक कुछ बदलता नहीं है। और जब ये कोरोना का समय है 2020 में, तब मैंने जगह के बारे में सोचा। एंड देन आई थॉट ऑफ अ स्टोरी व्हिच विल बी अ मिक्स ऑफ रियल स्टोरीज एज वेल एज fictional characters, but this is going to be a mix. So this is going to be half fiction and half real story. And this book came in picture. So the book is known as The Strawberry Farm. And today I'm here when the book is there on Amazon. And today I'm going to finalize the script for The Strawberry Farm Part 2. So it's all for you. When I come to this place, I come to this place with inspiration, with the stories which are going to add some value to your life. I can vouch for it because I know this place has got amazing stories of learning, which is reflected, which is indicated by the boarding schools which you can see in the background, and also by amazing stories of perseverance, not giving up, and always keep on moving. So on this note, the sun has set, the place is getting darker. But as the protagonist in The Strawberry Farm says, that once I decided to make a change in my life, once I decided to look at my surrounding with a different mindset, with a different set of eyes, once I decided to look at all that is beautiful and great around me, the entire world started changing. Because then I started developing a magical power within me to see the seeds of inspiration, growth, transformation in each and everything which I saw around. And this book is all about this amazing valley, forest, boarding schools, this amazing beautiful tabletop, and much more. This book is about you, and do not miss reading it. What I have learned while paying lakhs of rupees to some of the best coaches, and what I've learned while reading, while listening to our podcasts, while watching videos, and then while thinking through all of this, while implementing all of these lessons in my life. Yes, I mean it. All of these have been put in this book in a very thrilling story format, something which is going to keep you riveted, keep you engaged with the book. Read My Peter Marisburg Movement and read The Strawberry Farm, and you are certainly going to be transformed. Because we have got lots and lots happening around us. It's just that हम अपने आस पास की छोटी छोटी चीज़ों में सफलता, महानता, शांति, सुख, स्वास्थ्य, खुशियाँ, इनको देखना बंद कर देते हैं. And this place is all about this realization which I had when I came to this place 4 years ago. The funny thing is that when I came to this place 4 years ago, I did not have any realization that this place has got so much of motivation hidden within it. All that I saw when I came here 4 years ago was fun, entertainment, which many people can see. You can see some people are having joyride on horses, and it's all good. But then I started developing the mindset of a person who could create something transformational for people with that most and sincere purpose to bring about a positive change in this world. And once that happened, the stories started coming out. So till you read the Strawberry Farm Part 1, which is there on Amazon, let me assure you I'm going to come back with the Strawberry Farm Part 2. And the script is getting created, is getting formed at this beautiful, nice, amazing place. Let me show you the place around. It's a beautiful sunset. And stay blessed, stay happy, stay inspired.